Hey Alex, I'm so glad we decided to come to the mall today. There's so many things I need to buy.
Yeah, Emma. It's been a while since we last went shopping. What's on your list for today?
Oh, I need a few things, some clothes, maybe a new bag, and definitely some shoes. What about you?
I might need some new jeans and maybe a jacket. But I'm also just browsing, seeing if anything catches my eye. Shall we start at the clothing section?
Yes, let's go. Oh, and we can grab a coffee after. Shopping and coffee. It's a perfect combo. Wow, look at all these clothes. There's so much to choose from. What do you think of this dress, Alex?
It looks nice. I think it would really suit you. Are you going to try it on?
Definitely. I'll try it on and see if it fits. What about you? Are you seeing anything you like?
I'm thinking about these jeans. They look comfortable and casual, just what I need.
You should try them on too. Let's find the fitting rooms. Alex, how do I look in this dress?
It looks great on you, Emma. The color really suits you. What do you think?
I like it. I think I'll get this one. What about your jeans? Did they fit?
Yeah, they fit perfectly. I think I'll go with these. Do you need anything else from here?
I might look at the bags before we leave. You know me. I can never resist a good bag. What do you think of this one, Alex? I love the design, but I'm not sure if it's practical.
It looks stylish. But does it have enough space for all your stuff?
You're right. It's a bit small. I need something bigger for my everyday things. Let's keep looking.
Good idea. I'll help you find something that's both stylish and practical.
You know me so well. Okay, now for my favorite part, shoe shopping.
Of course, you and shoes, it's a love story. What kind of shoes are you looking for today?
I want something comfortable, but also stylish. Maybe a pair of sneakers or casual shoes. What about you? Are you getting any shoes?
I could use a new pair of sneakers too. Let's see what they've got.
These sneakers feel amazing. They're super comfortable, and I love the color. What do you think?
They look great. I think they're perfect for you. I found a pair for myself too. Simple but comfortable.
Awesome. Looks like we're all set with shoes. Let's check out and grab that coffee we talked about earlier. This is exactly what I needed after all that shopping, some coffee and a chance to relax.
Same here. It's always nice to unwind after a long day at the mall. So, did you get everything you wanted?
Yes, I'm happy with my dress, shoes, and the bag. What about you? Happy with your jeans and sneakers?
Definitely. I wasn't expecting to find everything so easily, but it turned out well.
I know, right? Sometimes shopping can be overwhelming, but today was perfect. Plus, I love coming to the mall. It's fun to just look around even if I don't buy anything.
Yeah, I agree. The mall has a nice vibe and there's always something new to see. Do you think we missed anything?
I don't think so. We covered clothes, shoes, and bags. I think we're good for today. That was a productive day. I'm so glad we did this.
Me too. It's always fun shopping with you, Emma. You have great taste and you make it more enjoyable.
Thanks, Alex. You're not so bad yourself. Next time, we should go shopping for something else, maybe tech gadgets or books.
That sounds like a plan. But for now, let's get home and relax. We've earned it.
You know, shopping can be tiring, but I always feel good afterward, especially when I find things I really like.
Same here. It's not just about buying stuff, it's the experience. Walking around, exploring new stores, and spending time together makes it worthwhile.
Exactly. And it's even better when you do it with a friend. Thanks for coming with me today.
Anytime, Emma. I enjoyed it. So, when's our next shopping trip?
Soon, Alex. Very soon.
Yeah, it was perfect. Shopping doesn't always have to be stressful. It can be relaxing and fun too.
That's so true. And it's a great way to practice English, especially when talking to store assistants, asking for different sizes, or even just chatting with friends.
Exactly. For beginners, going shopping is a great way to learn new words and phrases. Plus, it's practical. You're using English in real-life situations.
So, next time anyone is at the mall, don't forget to practice your English. Ask questions, talk to the people around you, and enjoy the experience.
Absolutely. And if you're learning English, remember to be confident and keep practicing. The more you use it, the better you'll get.
That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed coming shopping with us and practicing your English.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know what you want to see next.
Thanks for watching, and happy shopping, everyone.